We look very much at the smaller end of the market, so we want to look at those businesses that are kind of 50 or 100 mil that are growing really, really quickly, that are maybe somewhat undiscovered. I think the new IPO market's one where we've seen some really, really good opportunities in the last kind of 12 months. So established technology businesses that are actually generating real revenues we think are really attractive, and we've been involved in things like Freelancer and Afterpay recently, and a number of the food businesses as well. We think like the Bellamy's and the like, it's probably one that's had a bit of a run now, but that was a sector where we saw some really, really good growth in the short term. And I think the other one's probably tourism. We're seeing some really, really strong performances there. So firstly, it's just simple revenues. That there's a number of stocks out there that are really not generating any revenues at all. They're ideas, but they actually haven't been commercialised. Any of those that just aren't producing that simple, basic, receipts for customers on a 4C, if they're not doing that, we're not involved in it. And so that's knocking out a hell of a lot of these new technology businesses that have been reverse takeovered or put into resources shells. We want to see at least a small history of growth in these businesses, so all the metrics moving in the right direction, sales, margins, that kind of thing. They don't need to be profitable yet, but they need to be moving to profitability at least in the next 12 to 24 months. And if we can't see that visibility, it's just too far down the risk spectrum for us to invest in.